What are greenhouse gases? According to myclimate.org, greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that has an influence on the Earth's energy balance. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide that are naturally found in low concentrations in the atmosphere are best known as greenhouse gases. These gases cause the so-called greenhouse effect. Unfortunately for us, the proportion of these trace gases has increased significantly due to various man-made sources.
How does the greenhouse effect work? As expected from its name, the greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. Greenhouses are used to grow plants. It is made with glass walls and a glass roof. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during the winter. During daytime, sunlight shines into the greenhouse to warm the plants and air inside. Then during nighttime, when it's colder outside, the greenhouse stays warm. It is due to the fact that the glass wall of the greenhouse traps the heat of the sun. The greenhouse effect works similarly on how greenhouse gases works on our planet. When the sun shines through the atmosphere, the Earth's surface warms up at night. Heat is released back into the air and the Earth's surface becomes cool. However, some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect was actually a good thing since it helps warm our planet to its average heat of 59 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. That makes it well and livable.
The Earth is habitable because of the Sun. Although 30% of the solar energy that reaches our planet is deflected back into space. The remaining 70 goes to the atmosphere of the Earth's surface, where it is absorbed by the land, sea, and atmosphere, and heats the globe. This heat is subsequently transmitted back into the form of inflected light, which is invisible. While some of this infracted radiation is reflected back into space, the great majority, nearly 90%, is absorbed by the atmospheric gases, known as the greenhouse gases, and diverted, diverted back towards the planet, producing more warming. Humans are progressively impacting the climate and the temperature of the Earth through burning of fossils. Raising livestock and human drives change into lands such as deforestation and urbanization. This added massive amount of greenhouses to those already present in the atmosphere. So, amplifying the greenhouse effect and contributing to global warming.
But how can we help reduce greenhouse gases? There are many different solutions to stop the climate from warming. Some can be tackled by individuals, and other actions can involve communities. Here is the list of possible actions we can do. Taking steps, we must learn how to reduce energy consumption. In layman's terms, use less electricity. According to a study conducted by United States Agency for International Development or USAID in 2019, electricity ranks number 1 in greenhouse gas emissions with 54% in the Philippines. Just by simply replacing incandescent light bulbs with LED bulbs, turning off appliances when no one is using it, or simply adding insulations, even changing the color of your roof to a cool or lighter color that can help reflect the heat and light away, we can help reduce energy usage.
Second is to generate electricity without emissions. We can use renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind turbines, geothermal, etc. As they do not burn fossil fuels and do not release greenhouse gas into the atmosphere. Although the development of renewable energy is costly and includes logistical barriers, the amount of energy coming from this is definitely growing. We humans rely on fossil fuels when moving from one place to another. So, for the third step, we must travel without greenhouse gas. A whopping 14% of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide are caused by transportation. We can reduce emissions by riding a bike, walking, carpooling, or by using public transportation. Fewer vehicles, lesser greenhouse gas. Last on the list is to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Conserving forests, greenlands, and wetlands can help reduce carbon emissions. Planting trees and other plants can also help increase places where carbon dioxide is pulled out of the atmosphere. We can only do so little on our own, but together we can do so much for our environment.